Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit. And in this video, where we are covering most asked Java interview question answer. Um, in this video, basically, we are going to learn about one of the most asked, I would say. It is also one of the very much popular question which is asked in the interview. So in this, basically, we need to find out the occurrence of each character in a particular string. So if okay, so for that, I have created this class occurrence of each character, and in here I have one public static void main method. So let's create one more method, public static void, and then occurrence of each character. Okay, and it is going to receive one string as parameter in which we are gonna see each particular character, how many times it has occurred in the string. Okay, so a string str. Okay, and over here, so basically once we have received what we are gonna see, we are going to receive this string. Okay, and for that particular string we need to iterate inside the characters, right? Inside the string as each character we wanted. Okay, so what to do with that? So basically, what we can use over here as part of collection to store occurrence and character. So we can use map over here because map allows us to store values in the key value pair. So character in map, we are going to store character and integer because we are gonna um, count the occurrence. Okay, so let me call this as map equals new hash map. Okay, so basically in previous video, if you remember, if you have watched my previous video, I had told what is the difference between hash map and linked hash map. So hash map, basically, for those who haven't watched, you can go and watch those videos as well. They are very much uh, very much helpful. So basically, in hash map, basically, what happens, hash map does not maintains the order of insertion. So that is the main thing of hash map, while in linked hash map it maintains the order of insertion. So rest of the things are pretty much same, because both of these classes, hash map and linked hash map, implements map interface. So both of them works similarly, but that is the main difference. Okay, so here we have created one map, and in this map, basically, we are going to store all the characters and their occurrences. So here, let's see. So what we are gonna do, we are going to iterate in what? Iterate into the string. Okay. So once we iterate, so what are we gonna get? So character, we are going to get character. So in string. But before that, we need to convert this string into the character array. So that too, sometimes what happens, any particular string, let's suppose we have received any string like this. Okay, here in this form. So what happens, Java basically assumes each of the character separately, like capital S and small s are different character for Java. So if your requirement is something like you need your input string should be considered as case insensitive, then in that case you can convert this in either all the characters in the either lower lowercase or uppercase. So for that, just over here you can see two lowercase. So all of the characters in a string are going to be converted into the lowercase, and after that you can convert this into the character array. Okay, and if not, then you can simply use as is. It is going to give you occurrence for capital A also and small a also. So in here, since we received this character, now what are we going to see do? So we are going to put one condition that if in the we are going to check if our map contains any particular key or not. Key that means the character. Basically, if we will check if this character already exists in the map or not, because map does not allow duplicate key, so we won't be able to insert into that. So for that, we need to check if that contains map contains that particular character or not. So if it contains, then we wanted to do something. But before that, if it does not contains, okay, if it does not contains, what are we gonna do? We are going to say that now you have to put this character. Okay, so what is that character? It's C, whatever we are receiving in the for loop. So that character which we are receiving from here, we are going to put, and what are the value we are going to put as 1. Okay, that means for the very first time when the map finds the character, okay, so it will check if it is there in the map or not. If not, then what is it's going to do? It is going to put that character in the map with occurrence 1. So that means it has found one occurrence of particular character. Okay, and next time when loop iterates again, and next time when it comes here, and let's suppose it finds similar key. Okay, so similar key it finds, and then what are we going to do? We are going to increase this count, right? So for that, map dot put, and in here what are we going to see? This C. Okay, C, and with that, what are we going to use? We are going to get the value. Okay, value what related to that particular character. So here we are going to use get. So get particularly what it does, it basically fetch the value of particular key in the map. Okay, so here if we give this key, that means it is going to return us the integer value. That means you see over here returns the value to which the specified key is mapped. Okay, so whatever key you are going to put over here, it is going to return the value of that. So it is returning us integer. So for the next occurrence, what are we going to do? We are going to fetch the occurrence which already has it, that particular character already has, and we are going to increase in this by 1. Okay, so with this, what it is going to do, it is going to like map all the characters, like how many times it has occurred and all those things. Okay, so with this we are completely mapped. Now what are we going to do? Um, we just wanted to print all of the occurrences, right? So for that, we just have to reiterate in the map. Okay, so to reiterate, like to iterate within the map, we have entry set. There are multiple ways basically, but I am using over here entry set. So entry set character comma integer. Okay, and this is I am calling as entry, and in what map? So this map basically we need to convert this in the entry set. Okay, so here we are converting this into the entry set. So it is saying that you need to import entry util.map over here. And once we have mapped it like in the entry set, so we are going to get each value. Okay, so we are going to print each of the value. So how are we going to print? So entry dot key. Okay, get key is going to give us the key of the particular entry. With that, we are going to say put a colon, and in here we are going to again fetch entry dot value, get value. Okay, so it is going to give us the value. Okay, so let's see if this works or not. So I am now calling this inside this main method, and in here I am going to pass this value itself, okay, as a string. Okay, so let's see what it is going to print. Okay, so okay, so you see over here A has occurred 5 times. So let's count 1, 2. This is because we have already converted all of them as lowercase, so it is not recognizing capital N and small a differently. So it's all same. So that's why it is counting capital A also in the small a. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. A is 5, S is again 1, and then this is 2, this is 3. And then D 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so like that it has counted and have printed the occurrence. Okay, so that was all related to this program. If you feel, if you have any other programs which has been asked in the interview, and so you can ask any question, and I will try to put that on the video. And if you feel this was helpful to you, then you can like and subscribe and share the video to whosoever you feel is this video going to help. And thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you.